Today we're making Tex-Mex style minced beef in a rich, tangy and spicy sauce with peppers, black beans and melted cheese. It's really easy to make and it's full of flavour, and it'd go great in tacos, but I absolutely love it served on top of rice with all the toppings. So let's get cooking. Start by adding a tablespoon of oil to a large frying pan and heat over a medium to high heat. Now we're going to add 500 grams, which is about 1.1 pounds of minced beef, plus a quarter of a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Cook that together for about 5 minutes until the beef is browned, breaking up any large pieces of beef as you go. Now I'm using minced beef with 10 to 15% fat because that little bit of extra fat definitely adds some more flavour. I'm also only adding a little bit of salt at this point because we've got salt in the stock cube and possibly in the fajita seasoning depending on your brand as well. So it's always better just to add a little bit more later if you need it, but go easy in the beginning stages. Now add in a finely diced onion, plus a finely diced red and yellow bell pepper. We're also going to add in 3 minced cloves of garlic. Stir together and fry for about 5 minutes, stirring often. Next in goes 3 tablespoons of fajita seasoning mix, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of hot pepper sauce, and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. We're also going to add in a crumbled beef stock cube. Stir it all together and cook for another 2 minutes, stirring continuously. Next in goes a 400 gram or 14 ounce jar of passata. Once you've added that to the pan, then I like to add about half a cup of cold water to that passata jar. Give it a swish together and add that to the pan too. We're also going to add a 400 gram or 14 ounce tin of drained black beans and a tablespoon of light brown sugar. Stir everything together and bring it to a gentle simmer, and simmer for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 10 minutes, give it a final stir, and then we're going to sprinkle on 150 grams, which is about 1.5 packed cups of grated mixed cheese. So you want to place a lid on the pan or just place some foil on there and cook it for a final 2 minutes until that cheese has melted. And now we're ready to serve. I like to serve this up family style with some chopped avocado, sliced tomatoes, some sliced jalapenos and some freshly chopped coriander or cilantro. Now you can adjust the spice level to suit your own family's tastes. And if you love this, I know you're going to absolutely adore my Cajun chicken pasta. Or if you fancy a different spicy minced beef recipe, then try my minced beef keema curry. See you next time.